Welcome to the Financial Quarterback with your host, Jim Lineweaver.
Hi, I'm Jim Lineweaver, your financial quarterback since 1993. Today's program is designed to help you coordinate all your financial, tax, legal, and insurance to save you time, money, and worry. Today's focus is on 5 new resolutions for the new year. The first resolution is to make sure all your insurances are in proper order. This deals with your life insurance, your disability, your property casualty, even long-term care insurance if you're retired. You know, when you look at your life insurance, you want to make sure that your beneficiaries are properly structured. And also, you might want to consider changing the ownership on those to either a trust or maybe your kids to get that life insurance tax-free benefit out of your estate. When you look at your property and casualty coverage, consider an umbrella policy. And what this should do is not only incorporate all your investments, but also include rental properties or vacation properties and things along that nature. So God forbid something happens, your insurance will make sure you protect all your valuable assets. Resolution number 2 is to make sure you save 15 to 20% of your gross income. Make sure you have an emergency reserve set aside of 3 to 6 months of your after-tax income, and also maximize your retirement contributions. This can be a Roth IRA or 401k or a traditional Roth or 401k, but make sure you're putting enough money aside for a comfortable retirement. Resolution number 3 is making sure your goals and objectives are on track. You might use software for this, but it's all about making sure you do the proper planning for kids' education. It could be planning for that vacation home or even a comfortable retirement. Tracking and regularly revisiting your financial goals is important, as well as understanding and using the best strategies available to realize them. Take time to rebalance and reallocate your portfolios and make sure it still matches your target objectives. If you're getting a raise, maybe you want to take half to accelerate your financial goals and objectives. If you're already retired, ask yourself, are you getting the most out of your retirement? And also make sure your money's staying ahead of inflation. The fourth resolution is tax planning. You know, a lot of people are penny wise and pound foolish. They might be trying to save little increments all year, but to get blindsided with dividend and capital gain distributions that they're not spending, but yet still have to pay taxes on at the end of the year, or other things that they're missing. So now is the time to look at your year-end statements and look at the interest, dividends, and capital gain distributions that you're having to pay taxes on that you're not using. If you don't like what you see, spend some time with a tax strategist and do some planning so you don't get hit with the same thing again this year. Number 5 is to make sure all of your financial, tax, legal, and insurance needs are properly coordinated and all your advisors are communicating on your behalf to make sure you have a good solid plan and you're dotting your I's and crossing your T's. Most of the new clients we see have many advisors but no coordination, and we see mistakes and missed opportunities all the time. It's a good idea to make sure that you have someone acting as your financial quarterback so that nothing slips through the cracks. These are 5 of the most important financial resolutions you can make for you and your family. If you have more, add them to the list, but the key is make sure you write them down and make sure you get them done in this new year. Thanks for watching the show. I hope you have a happy new year. Stay tuned for the Chris Wallace Show coming up next.